Hello everyone, welcome to Zero Zero. My name is Rasim. We will create one simple smart contract by using Solidity and Node.js and Truffle. In general, I will use those commands. I summarize it. And for the project, you need to install Solidity. And also, if you don't have, you need to install Node.js and Truffle. You can download them from those links, and also Ganache. Ganache is a local blockchain. Let's start with the project creation. In the first place, I will create one folder, and then I will initialize one Node.js project with the default settings, and then in there I will initialize also Truffle project. Later on, to execute my Truffle command, I need Truffle package. During this time, you can install Ganache on the other tab. I'm using the Ganache program, but you can use it as a package as well. In general, yeah, it will take a little time to install. Okay. Our Truffle is ready and then installed. So let's open this project in a VS Code. And then in the first place, yeah, as you see, we have some skeleton in here. When we start a project with the Truffle, it is giving us such a skeleton. Under the contract, we are implementing our smart contracts migration. We are implementing our deployment scripts, and test we are implementing under it our unit test. So let's start with smart contract lesson. So yeah, all of the Solidity smart contracts ends with the .so. So in the first place, we will define our Solidity version. We use this Solidity version. Then this one. All of the smart contracts start with the contract keyword. Okay, and then let's define one local variable. String private. Let's hello. So for example, let's say, and then let's implement our setter and getter for this variable. So first method will be setter function set lesson with variable memory lesson method public. Yeah, by the way, the variable types you can define as a memory or storage. If you define as a memory, it will keep, in a temporary place. And let's say, so lesson, we will set local. That's all. And then let's implement our get lesson. Again, it will be big wheel and return string memory and sorry, will return and in general better to put some notification to method that they are doing some transaction. That's why we are defining one event and you change it, for example. That's enough for the notification. And then after the variable change, we will notify. We change it with this automatically. So and we can add our license. Yes. License identifiers. Let's say, or you can choose what you want. So this is basic smart contract. And let's compile it in the first place. To compile it, we will use Truffle. For the compilation, if your codes don't have any issue, it should successfully compile your smart contract. As you see, you can see the default details in here, and also you can see your smart contracts JSON files. In general, we will use JSON smart contracts JSON files, especially for the Web3. And then, so will this work fine? And then we will implement. We will do a session. We will implement our migration scripts for the deployments. Yes, we will implement by using JavaScript. So in here const lesson with the smart contract name, artifacts require lesson. Okay, it will find automatically methods methods. If here just to deploy, if we don't need any variable from the deploy method, we can just deploy lesson. It's very simple to deploy with the Truffle. That's all. And later on, we will do our Truffle configuration for the deployment. Yeah, yeah, maybe we can try to deploy to see Truffle migrate network development. We haven't done any configuration yet. Yeah, the error was expected because we haven't done Truffle configuration to which target we will deploy. Local blockchain or Rinkibai, Ropstan, or Ethereum mainnet. We will do, yeah, we can have a look at the details in here, but what I need to do some configuration in here. First of all, I need to install Ganache for the local development and also for the local testing as well. So you can use uh, those two commands, npm install. You can install Ganache to to a package.json file, and then you can populate some wallets uh, with the testing ether. But I installed Ganache, and it is already giving me some ethers with the mnemonic and with the private keys. I have everything, in here, as I said. I have everything. That's why I will use those configuration for my local testing. So I am finding the development section. In here, I am uncommenting, and then the port. It's 7545 network ID. You can start, but my Ganache network ID. Actually, that's all. Let's try to run again same command. You see it deployed successfully. Yeah, that's all. Now our smart contracts runs on the blockchain, local blockchain, and if the important things, for the blockchain side, when we deploy to anywhere, to reach to our smart contract, we need its address. Okay, keep it safe, and it used to deploy this account. This account should be on the Ganache 95557. As you see in here, the first one, it used it as an account. There was, 100 before. Now it used some of them for the deployment. So let's test it. Okay, everything looks fine. If it's deployed successfully, okay, we will use actually same command, but this time I already deployed. I will activate the Truffle console. Okay, now I'm here. Now I can I can use, I can try to reach to smart contract that I deployed, and I can execute all of its public methods from here as well. That's why, yeah, first of all, let's find our deployed smart contract. So lesson page lesson.deployed. First of all, it will find our deployed smart contract and find it, and it don't worry about it. Now, let's have a look. We already set some variable at the beginning of the variable, right? Let's have a look what was the lesson variable. Await lesson dot method name, get lesson, for example. Await lesson, get lesson. Well, let's try to change its value. So await lesson, set lesson, Solidity. Yeah, as you see, yeah, it is, printing some logs because we put some log in here. Yeah, it is printing all of the details about the transaction, and it is taking a screenshot of the blocks and printing to our screen. Yeah, regarding to those information, yeah, we can take an action. Yeah, the value is executed. The method is executed. Let's have a look. The method is right. You see, or our method is worked successfully. In general, in a simple way, smart contracts working like that. We can put so many, we can improve it, we can develop some other functions, and we can use other variable types, but in general, those kind of basic things you have to use in all of your project. Why we why we chose in general Truffle. Truffle is really good blockchain management library. On behalf of us, it is giving us really nice skeleton. Also, regarding to software development lifecycle, what we need, we need, you know, we need to implement unit tests, for example. We are implement really nice, cool unit tests by using Truffle. And with the Ganache, we can mock our blockchain and mock our smart contract, and we can do all of the test in our local machine by using Ganache. Yeah, as I said, you can use Rinkiby. You can deploy your smart contracts from here to Rinkiby or another testnet. Also, you can deploy to production mainnet as well. That's all, guys. I hope you like it. Do not hesitate to ask any question. That's all for today. Have a good weekend. Bye.